It's India versus Bangladesh in this IDFC First Bank Test Series. Chennai will play host here at the Chidambaram Stadium. The toss a little while ago, Bangladesh won the toss and has been almost a pattern with them in recent times. They chose to field.
India going with a slightly different combination. Remember, they're playing three fast bowlers. Yes, it's Chennai, but they're playing three fast bowlers and the two all-rounders, world class at that.
The winning combination against Pakistan. Shadman Islam, Zakir Hassan, the left-handers to open the batting for them. Taskin Ahmed.
Right-hand, left-hand combination. Vast experience of Rohit Sharma and the young energy of Yashasvi Jaiswal. Here's the first ball. Good excitement in the slips. Four people in the slips. Interesting first ball. One ball. It's a spicy one. The edge carried. There's the first wicket. Very good bowling from Hassan Mahmood. It was a trial by fire and it's produced a wicket already. Rohit Sharma's gone for 6. It's 14 for 1 now, India. And Gill is the new batter. Fine shot. Driven down the ground. Second boundary of the over. But the odd ball, very confident. The finger has gone up as well. And Gill is walking. Well, it's a dismissal. No batsman is happy with. He's strangled down the leg side. A double blow for India. It's 28 for 2 India. 192 matches, innings, and everything just under 50. Oh, plays! Got the edge here. The finger has gone up. And Virat Kohli dismissed. We mentioned when you go with hard hands, there's always an opportunity for a bowler here. But full marks to Hassan here, picking up his third wicket.
34 for 3 as he goes for 6.
Rishabh Pant has come out to the middle. Comes ahead of KL Rahul. So we're done with the first hour of play, but it's 36 for 3. And drinks being called for. It's an hour that's belonged to Bangladesh.